guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki. I'm rusty, so give me some grace as I make this video. I am actually working on a swap that's coming up. It is a Halloween swap. One of the requirements was a sequin mix. So it is a Pasteloween swap. This is the collection I'm going to be using. I'm not buying anything new this year for Halloween. This was the Happy Haunting collection from Simple Stories. I think I got this from Tina in a D-stash last year, so I want to use it up. There's not a ton. There's a ton of ephemera, but there's not a ton of paper, so I'm going to use what I have. So I went through these Halloween sequins that I had in my bins, and they just aren't the right colors. So this orange is too bright orange. This purple I bought for the Frank Garcia collection. The black ones, I'm using these shots to put my sequin mix in. So some of these are too big. So these are cats, spider webs, bats, and spiders. I emptied out all my ghosts. I emptied about half the spiders in here. And then it was a little bit left of a sequin mix that I had from last year that you can tell was pinks and oranges. I'm going to leave that little bit of lighter orange in there now, just because there's not that many. But I'm going to go through my sequins and let's pick out a couple more that match. So I'm not going to go with any of those. Get this out of the way. Okay, so my first bin here is pinks and oranges and yellows. So we have a deeper orange. I just don't know if I have that color. Is that it? That might be it. That might work. Pinks. It's more of this, like, maybe that one. It's a pink, like, oh, what am I trying to say? Like a variety of pink ones in there. And then I have this deeper orange. All right, let's see if those work. So I think this one is a little, I think that's a little too peachy, baby pinkish. We're not going to use that. That I think goes pretty well. It's a little bright. Otherwise this, maybe that's it. What do you guys think? That one? And then let's see what orange actually works. This one's kind of a matte, and then that one is a like a shiny. All right, let me put some of this in, and that's going to kind of give me some goldish undertones as well, which is good. And I need a lot because I need to fill all four of those up. Let me do like this, and then just put a couple of each with it. So that's what that one looks like. Otherwise, there's that one. Oh, should I do a little bit of both? I can't decide between the two. Let's do, yeah, we'll do a little bit of both. These are mostly sequins that I got from Cartwrights. Okay, so I think I need some more pink in there. I think that looks good. And then maybe, yeah, I think that's super cute. Except this spider web is not going to fit. Okay, I think that goes. Do I need more? Let me pull out, maybe a gray would be cute. Just a little bit of a gray, or a a different white or black mixed in there, or maybe a gold. All right, let me pull out something else. Oh, I have some these clear ones. Oh, I wanted to use one of these too. Let me pull these out. And then I've got some white like diamond dots as well. Okay, so maybe we'll use one of these. So I've got these polka dots, or I have the stripes. So I can go with either one of those, but I'm probably not going to do both. So I think the polka dots for this one. Yes, love it, love it. Okay, and then I have like this mix, but I'm afraid like that might be a little too like snowish looking just because of the, I don't know, I just really like that. Okay, then I was thinking like these clear ones could just be like filler. Let's see if I can get that open. So it's not going to add any more color, but it's going to give me a little more bulk. So I can make those shots nice and full. I just don't know if that's going to be enough. All right, let's try this. We'll start with this. I'll put a little bit more of these in. Maybe I'll get, I'm just thinking, I wonder if just like a black would be good. Let's see what I have for black. This isn't always here. Just maybe something like these matte black dots. Oops. Maybe that would be good. All right, let's start with this. I love how that's looking. So I'm gonna leave this out. I'm gonna leave these clear ones out in case I need more. All right, so the ones that I spilled, I'm gonna go ahead and put in here. This is extra, that's extra. All right, so I have these 4. So last year I punched a hole in here and I did like a dangle on there. I think I'm just going to wrap some like fabric around here instead this year, but we'll see. I'm not quite sure. I think the easiest way to do this is just basically with my hands. I just love how these look in here. It's so cute. You guys, I got out my Halloween totes to do this and I was so overwhelmed. I have so much. Yeah, I have no business buying anything this year. I have plenty. I did really well last year with as much of the Frank Garcia 31 collection that I bought because I have very little of it left. I think I probably have enough to maybe do one project or so. And I'll have to find something to do with that this year because I don't want to carry that on to next year. There, doesn't that look so cute? I love these. All right, so that is them semi-full. Again, I'm gonna try and clean up my mess here. And let's go back in and top them all off. I just want enough to be in there where I feel comfortable that this is gonna hold it in because I'm afraid that it's gonna pop open in shipping. And I might actually just put some washi tape on it just to be safe. Yeah, I think that's good. So they're all about the same except for this one. And then I'll just keep the leftover here. I can always include it in like the packaging when I send it. All right. Okay, so that's done. I have this much left over, so I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer it into a container. I'm really happy with how this sequin mix turned out. Okay, just got the couple of them there. All right, now let me pull some fabric out and we will just finish decorating the syringes. All right, I've got a ton of fabric, so let's see what I can find to match. So I've got a gray that I think will look cute. I've got a black and white checker. Gosh, I don't know if I have any light pink left. I don't think I do. I've got some Halloween ones in here. I could go with something like that. That one's cute, and the orange is a little bit darker. Just wish I had some light pink. I've got this hot pink. Does that kind of go? I think it'll be fine. I must have used all of the light pink last year because I know I did have some, so it's a good thing to know. I'll pick some up next time I am at Joann's. All right. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I have some here. I do. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Drop that. Okay, so I'm not going to use this. I have some strips here already torn. Awesome. Okay, so I can probably tear that one in half, so that'll give me 2, 3, and do I have one more? If I don't, I'm gonna have to, actually I can cut this in half. I think that'll be fine. All right, so I think I'm just gonna do this. I just cut it, and then you just rip. I love the frayed ends on there. I think this one is good as it is, but then I'm gonna just cut these in half. Like that. That'll give me 4. I think I'm gonna for sure do this. These are what I get from Joann's. They're called fabric quarters. They have them on sale. I don't know if it's as often as every other week, but they're on sale quite often, and you can get them for under $2, which is a good deal. And then you don't have a ton of fabric laying around either. They just sit up really nice in a tray. That's how I keep mine. So I'll get 2 out of there, 2 out of here. And then I think I'm gonna go with this one for the last one, just because I like it. And this, I think I got 1/4 yard, because this was not in the fat quarters or fabric quarters. What it looks like, and I'm going to straighten this one out. You can just kind of, you know, straighten it or flatten it with your fingers just by pulling it through. We'll cut those in half. And then I've got this buffalo plaid one that I'm going to cut in half as well. I'm just going to take all 3 like this. Oops. Get my strings out of here. This one on the bottom, this one in the middle, this one on top. And we're just gonna go down here, and I'm just gonna do a double knot. Or is one enough? All right, maybe just one. I think if I try and do a double, I don't know if I'll have enough room. All right. All right, there we go. They are all done and ready to be added to the project. Guys, I love how these turned out. This is one of my favorite ways to give Halloween sequins. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.